I just had an idea on how to actually record a gaming video. It'll be very low quality though. Yeah, so for now, that'll be fine. Yeah, that's Mom's spicy that's he made. But there's the rest of it. There's the other parts of it. There's a lot of it. To me, I think it's great. Mom is a pretty good mom. It's getting it degree too. A pretty bad, a very good mom. And we're going it. Hey, so he also made that. And that. And that. And that. And wait, did I tell you I had a see me? You did that. So look at that. Look, that doesn't look like a circle, but it is actually a circle though. It's pretty much a rainbow. So just subscribe. Hit the bell. That's all you need to do. Not much, just subscribe. That's all you need to do. Subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell. Hit the bell! That's all you need to do. Hit the bell. Hit the bell, please. Leave a like. For now, I'm on a 200 like. Oh, sorry. For now, I'm on a 200 subscriber goal. I haven't edited, so if I edit it, it probably won't be good. But I'm just starting out. It's the way most YouTubers do. So, yeah. This is a pretty good YouTube channel for now. That's my mom. That's in the background. And that's my mom. Again. Well, that's awesome. Some of my classmates said I should be an artist and what I really wanted was to be a YouTuber, and guess what? I actually figured out how to, and this is it. This is the YouTube channel. You know? And I am still on the 200 like goal. Oh, sorry, I said the wrong thing. I'm the 200 subscriber goal. There's a weird thing that I can make. If you don't like weird sounds and high pitches, just click off for now. Sorry, just click off. I don't even know how I can make that sound, but I actually can. So yeah, this is the